This is the caramel flavor syrup by Shock Zero. It is an absolute amazing product because it contains zero sugars. It is totally keto friendly and low carb. It contains no sugar at all and just a few carbs, which is absolutely great. Great quality. Smells amazing. Smells and tastes amazing, and you can use it for so many things. Let's say you want to add a little bit just in your coffee to give it this caramelly flavor, or a little bit in your baked goods. I like to add it to my low carb uh, ice cream, and just a little bit gives it this nice taste of caramel. And of course, if you are making any caramel sauce or anything, this will absolutely elevate the flavor even more. I absolutely recommend this product here. As you can see, it comes in a very large bottle, so it is absolutely amazing, and the price point is just fantastic.